Hello student, how are you? I hope you all are safe. In last video we learned theory of conditional statement and loops. So in this video we learn practical of conditional statement. So let's start. Now you all know that if then is the simplest form of if then else statement. In this type, if the condition stands true, then the program will be run true statement. Otherwise the program will be not execute. For example, suppose we have to check I am pass or not. So I am write print double unit comma enter marks. Now the print command is used to get the output of the program. Enter input marks. Now you all know that the input command is used to take the data from the user. Here marks is our variable. Now we write if marks greater than or equal to 35, then print I am pass and semicolon. Here marks greater than or equal to 35 is our condition and print I am pass is our true statement. Now ending the if statement and if, and last we write and for ending the program. So now our program is ready for run. Here if my marks is above 35, then the true statement is run because my condition is true. Otherwise my program is not execute the statement. Now for run a program, press F5 from keyboard, otherwise go into the run menu and start. Here creating .exe file is C. Now our program will be start. See here one dialog box has been come. Now I enter above 35, then I have to write 75 and press enter. So you can see here my output is I am pass because 75 is above 35. So our true statement will be run. Press enter. Now again I am run the program. Start. Now I enter below 35. Suppose I am entering 14. So you can see here no output will be here because 14 is below 35 marks. So our program will be not execute the true statement. Now our next topic is if then else. In if then else, if the condition stands true, then true statement will be run, otherwise false statement will be run. So we have to write for false statement, we have write else for false statement. Here print I am fail. So if my marks is above 35, then run true statement, otherwise run false statement. So let's check. Start. I am entering 65. So 65 is above 35, then my output is I am pass, that is our true statement. Now I am entering below 35, like 25 is below 35, so my false statement will be run. So I hope you all understand this program. Thank you.